Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today we are going to cover an important concept regarding arrays in Java. So what are arrays basically? So array you can define as homogeneous uh, elements stored together in memory. So here homogeneous means uh, the elements which belong to the same data type. While declaring or defining, you may declare array of an but specific data type need it be integer, character, float, boolean, all the primitive data types you can declare array within it. So array is necessary when you have to use uh, homogeneous means of same data type group or collection of elements. Suppose uh, so what this compiler does, so if you declare an array say of 5 elements, so basically it will store 5 elements of that particular type, uh, be it integer, float or double. So specifically that memory is reserved for that array. So that was about array in memory. So let's see in programmatically how we can declare and define array and use Java. So what I've done in here is I've taken a basic program where I've declared an array. So let's start with the single dimensional array. So single dimensional array means the array, this subscript is having only one dimension. So over here there is an integer array of 10 elements, and what I've done basically I will just taken a for loop and I've initialized the array and I've put elements into it. After that, uh, I've just printed the array. In the next example, what I've done is I've taken two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array. I'm saying two-dimensional array because there can be n number of dimensions. I can just go on increasing over here. So correspondingly, I need to add the number of elements over here. Suppose suppose I take as 4 dimensional, so it is showing compile error because here we are taken 4 dimensional and I'm not provided the size of subscript over here, so I need to provide it. So yeah, one more thing is that if you not declare over here, it's fine, compiler doesn't give any error. But yeah, so yeah, the point over here is suppose there are 4 subscripts, so at least one subscript size needs to be defined. See, because I've taken a 4 dimensional array, so I have given at least for the first subscript, I need to define the size value. So coming back to the point, so I've taken 2 dimensional array and I've taken 2 by 2 matrix. Yeah, basically it's also called as a matrix. So the other example what I've done is multi-dimensional array. I've taken 2 for loops for it, and in that I've just taken and printed those elements of array. So that was all about arrays in Java. I've taken example of single dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. Both can be utilized, and let's see what output prints. Yeah. As you can see in front of the screen, that single dimensional array integer is showing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called this program that then it's initialized, and it's the output is printed by using this, and I using /t as a skip sequence to allow the numbers to be printed in the same row. So it's printed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the array is printed accordingly. After that, we now have a multi-dimensional array. Yeah, as you can see, it's printed 1, 2, 1, 2. So the array is initializing, so twice the loop moves in both the cases, printing its subscription value I and j. Correspondingly, it prints 1 2. So that was all about arrays in Java. I covered multi and single dimensional both. So hope so you like this video. So if you like, please do like and subscribe to my channel hashtag me. More to come on Core Java Basics. Bye for now.